Hello, I'm Jim Morrison. I'm head of the Department of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering, and we're standing here in one of our workshops with the mechanical engineering students. I oversee 5 CAO courses in 3 disciplines: in mechanical engineering, in electronic engineering, and in our new course in biomedical engineering. In the department we run a level 7 and a level 8 program in electronic engineering. This discipline is in all aspects of people's lives nowadays, very often without them knowing. The most common one is the phone that people carry in their pocket. That includes cameras, it includes speakers, they can play video, they can shop, and all of this is done through one device. To get all those pieces of equipment into one device is what an electronic engineer has to do. But it's much bigger than that. Electronic engineering is in cars, it's in TVs, it's in washing machines, it's in fridges, it's very often in people's clothes or in their sports with their Fitbits and with all their training and gear, and you see it in gyms. So it's quite hard to sometimes get an idea of the scale of electronic engineering. But it opens up career opportunities then across the world and across the island of Ireland, with our students working in all different industries. In the department we also run a level 7 and a level 8 in mechanical engineering. The simplest description of what mechanical engineering is about is anything that moves, and mechanical engineers involved in the design. And so that might sound very general, because it is. That could be an engine on a jumbo jet, or it could be a simple insulin pump helping a diabetic person get through their day. So the scale is from minuscule inside the human body to ginormous in large aircraft. But there's a lot more to it than that. You have to, what's the right material? What can you put inside a person? Or what will keep 300, 400 people in the air without falling out of it? So you need to be able to pick materials to the problem and come up with a solution. And you also then need to know how they will behave under pressure or under heat or under basic constant wear and tear of people using them. So mechanical engineers, once again, can work in any kind of industry. They work in medical, they work in aerospace, and they also will work in entertainment. The simple design of a games console requires you to be able to have buttons and joysticks that will work with teenagers, giving it every bit of abuse. So a mechanical engineer needs to know so much, but can then do so much with that knowledge. This year we started a new venture in LYIT Engineering, where we are launching our new Level 8 program in Biomedical Engineering. This is to respond to the changes that are out there in healthcare. In the modern world, people want to spend as little time in hospital and lead as normal life as they can. So part of biomedical engineering is monitoring health continuously for people when they go about their daily lives, and even helping deliver drug systems where needed. But in the event that they need to go into hospital, you only have to look at TV and see the amount of equipment that exists in an intensive care unit. And all that equipment is designed by biomedical engineers to help doctors and clinicians help their patients. This program also has a feature where students will have an industrial placement in the 3rd year, which we've now introduced also to our electronics programs. So if what I've said today has sparked an interest in you in following one of the branches of engineering that are in our department, there are 5 possible CAO paths through those. And if you have any queries or you're seeking further information, don't hesitate to contact me, the head of department, at my email, which is jim.morrison@lyit.ie.